Hey, Dave Parrish here at Knack Builders. This is going to be a short video, but today's topic is using numeric and text functions. These are really cool. I use them regularly, and what they are, I'll show you this. I'll go through these in details, but they're special functions you can put in either text equations or numeric equations that do clever things, and they can be really helpful. So I'll be right back and I'll take you through how to use those. Thanks. Okay, let's jump into this. Numeric and text functions. I did a couple of videos, one on how to look at two dates and extract how many work days they are. That uses one of these. And then I recently did one on how to generate random numbers. That's one of these too. And then I thought, hey, people should know how to get these. There's a whole bunch of different ones that can be useful. So that's what this video is about. I'll leave these links, or this link, in the hold on. There's two links. Knack has a list of these different functions. One's for numerics, that's numbers, equations, and the other's for text formulas. But let's take a look at what they do. For me, the text formulas are a little more interesting, but this is the numeric one. And they have all kinds of things in here. Cosine. Now, if you're someone who needs cosine, last time I did do sine or cosine or things like that was back in, college math class or something, and never ever needed it again. But there are people that use it, and they have some other these. Now, Knack actually has, this in their fields. You can do things like min, max, average, count. So that's a little redundant here, but they don't do medium. You can probably, I don't think so, but if they don't. But there's all kinds of different things. Here's the random one, sine, standard deviation. These can all be done. Here's that net working days, which counts working days. But let's jump over to the other one that I use more often, or used to be used in text formulas. Here's one. Think of this as sort of extract something from another field. I use this not all that much, but it's useful, and I'm going to give you a use case. It extracts to the left of some text field or to the right of that text field a certain amount of letters that you tell it, in this case 3. Now here's a use case that I did. We were generating passwords for users creating their accounts, and we could just use something standard like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then tell them they can go in and update the password after they log in. But we wanted to make it a little more professional and seem more secure. So I think I did something like extracted the last 3 letters of their last name and the last 3 numbers of their phone number. Now, those are 2 different fields, but I got that data, and then I used another text formula to combine those into one field, and then I forget how we did it with the password. We ran a task or a record rule or something that set that value as the password. So that was interesting. Let me look at some other ones. Some of these I don't use, but you turn something into all caps if that was important. Let's keep going. I don't know what these rejects is. Extracting date or address stuff. You can grab just the street from an address. You can grab just the city. You can grab just the state. Things like that. That can be useful in a number of ways. Same with names. You can extract their first name. Another use case too, by the way, with this, when you're getting to the left or to the right or something, you can. I don't think Knack in their name thing says a standard thing where you can just say, hey, give me the initials of this person. So in this case, you could do the first letter of the first name. That'd be one field. The first letter of the last name would be another another field, then you use a text field to combine those two, and then you would have their initials. Let's see what else we got. These get things are pretty cool. I think it's the date functions here. Link date functions. You can get the day of the week or the month from a date, which can be useful too, in all kinds of ways. But I'm not getting into use cases. In this case, I think what Knack says here is it returns like get day of week and will return Friday. I don't think it does that. What it does is give you a number of the day of the week. And in this case, the day of the week starts on Sunday. So if you get a 1, it's going to be a Sunday. If you actually needed to have Friday spelled out, you'd probably have to do a multiple choice, or it could be a text, but say a multiple choice, has the actual days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever, then set a condition on that field that says, hey, if this field that you just made is number 1, set to Sunday. If it's number 2, set to Monday, that sort of thing. There's other things in here. As clever as you want, you can get in your uses of these. Now, let me show you just briefly how would you use those. Let's do this. Let's do a text formula. It's just simple. Get right there. Get day a week. And then you're going to, in the parentheses, put the date field that you want to get it from, and close the parentheses and do it. That's the text field, and that's just pretty much the same thing for an equation. Let's just do random right here. Random is going to give you, that's the same thing. You'll put random in, you'll here select the number field that or what you want to get it from, and then, or no, here you'll put, you're not drawing off another field, you're going to put 2 numbers in there, and that's what it'll generate. 1, 100, it will generate a random number between those. So that's it, folks. Hope this was useful. Appreciate it if you like this video, do the click thing, do the like thing, ring the bell. Appreciate it. Take care.